Hi everyone. So let's start with the next lesson. In the last class, we have learned the rhythm 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 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 and then we change the rhythm slight a bit on second and fourth beat, right? And then we have learned the chords A major, E major, then G major, and D major, right? Today I am going to start with the flavored chords. The flavored chords which you remember their sound very easily. Those are called minor chords, right? So let's start with the minor chords, and then I'll give you in the next video lesson I'll give you a combination of chords which you can play and enjoy also, right? So let's start. Today I'm starting with the A minor chord. You have learned A major, E major, G major and D major, right? So I'm starting with the A minor chord now. So let's start how to hold the A minor on the fretboard. A minor position forms on the first fret and the second fret only. So let's see, take a close look of A minor. I'm talking about A minor, right? On the first fret, with your first finger, you have to press 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth string, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So fifth string on the first fret with your first finger. Done? Now the next on the second fret. What you need to do is to keep your second finger on the second fret on here. Which string is this? This is third string. So I'm placing my second finger on the second fret on the third string. So first is already there, second is here, and then just below, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fourth string on the second fret with your third finger. So these three strings are there. Number 1, number 2, number 3, right? And this called A minor. Can you hear the sound? Now what is the difference between A major and A minor? This is A major. If you remove this finger here and place it here with your fourth finger, this becomes A major. So just hear the sound. Now I am playing the A minor. Can you find the difference between the two major chords and minor chords? This is A major, this is A minor. Can you see how I am changing the chords without making my hand completely moved? If I'll place this pinky here, this becomes A major and I am removing this finger. If I'll remove this pinky here and I'll place the first finger here, then it becomes A minor, right? Now the next chord is E minor. So let's start with the E minor. How to hold the E minor on the fret. E minor is formed only on the second fret, and it is the most easiest chord in guitar, right? Let's start. On the second fret with your second finger, the second string, second fret, second string and second finger. Very simple formula. Second fret, second string with your second finger, place it here. Then second fret, third string with your third finger. This becomes E minor. In the previous class, I told you about the E major chord also. If I'll place this first finger here on first fret with the fourth string, this is the fourth string, and rest two on the second fret on second and third string, right? So this is E major, and if I'll remove the first finger from E major, becomes E minor. So find out the difference between major and minor sound. right? So you need to practice in this video lesson, you need to practice the 2 chords. Last 4 chords you have to practice, but 2 more. Now A minor and E minor, A minor and E minor. So the transition is more important. Getting? So practice these 2 chords and see you in the next video lesson. Take care.